Families in Richton have a new place to cool off. The town's splash pad is now open after months of delays and years of preparation. Mayor Bill Ruffin declined request for an interview, but answered questions from RHCJC News by email. He says one of the biggest setbacks came after the town awarded the construction bid. Ruffin writes, "The initial contractor filed for bankruptcy shortly after the bid award, and then the project transitioned to the bonding company, which takes due diligence and is very time-consuming." Town Board of Aldermen meeting minutes show officials discussing the project as early as November 2024, and the splash pad was originally promoted as opening in early 2025, but the timeline stretched well beyond that target before the facility opened in June 2026. Ruffin says the transition to a bonding company, along with election year spending restrictions, contributed to the delay. Officials were then preparing to open the splash pad over Memorial Day weekend, but Ruffin says they were delayed again by rain, lightning, and storms. He says the town spent nearly 14 years saving for park improvements and didn't use any grants. Now that the facility is open, Ruffin says admission fees help cover ongoing expenses including utilities, maintenance, staffing, and future improvements. He says the town chose to charge admission rather than increase taxes to support the splash pad's operation. According to Ruffin, the facility uses about 1,000 gallons of treated water per hour, making ongoing operating costs a significant consideration for the town. Reporting for the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center, I'm Sammy Jordan.